On this channel, you will see your favorite meals prepared in a more healthier way. Today, I am making my sorrel puree, which is a first step in baking my sorrel fruit cake. So, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Do remember to like, subscribe, and share the videos with your family and friends. Now come on over with me and you will see how I prepare the sorrel fruit puree. Now to make my sorrel fruit puree, I add the remaining sorrel from the sorrel drink. And to this, I will add my raisin and some prune. And I am using fruit wine. So I'll combine this together. Ginger and all in there, everything. Because you know ginger, you have to use ginger with sorrel because the ginger brings out the flavor in the sorrel. So you just add that and allow the fruits to steam for about 10 minutes. And then you allow it to cool. I'll be right back. Now that the fruit is cool, I am going to pour some in the blender. This is the sorrel, prune, and raisin. If you want to add cherries, you can. Cherries are so expensive now, and you can hardly get cherries. So, I did not use any cherry. So I'll cover and just blend. I like to eat fruits in my cake, so I'm not going to blend it. So this now you will store in a container until when you are ready to bake. So subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload the next video, which will be my sorrel fruit cake. So come on over on the channel and catch me. Have a fabulous Christmas and one love.